Here's a VooDoo kit that I'm selling. It's got the two dolls. See how big they are. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle painted rock. This was painted by a local artisan with disability. This frog from a bird bath. Fell off a bird bath, I painted it. See how cute? Cute, cute, cute. This, there's your pins in there. Instructions. And it's intended for small children, obviously, because of the pins. And you got a Monster High bag. I got a little stuff in there. A couple more things will be added in the meantime, depending on what I have, what I feel like putting in there. Look at the link in the description.